Hey guys, so I'm holding on to the oven door and I'm holding on to my sister's hand and we're going to pretend that it's a volcano, like we're trying to climb up a volcano, and I'm going to ask Rosa to turn the oven on so that way it'll be like a volcano, like a real volcano, like a heated volcano, because the oven is on. So, hey Rosa, please help me with something, because I can't do it on my own. What do you want? Turn the oven on. Okay, I'll turn the oven on. I can't see. I can't even see the dial because Adriana's Bigfoot. Okay, let's move it. Okay, it's on. Can you open it? Yep. Are you gonna open it? I mean, yeah. I mean, he can get inside. Can get outside if it's closed. Okay. Don't worry, this is a pretend volcano. This is a pretend volcano. Oh, still we're on the kitchen and the oven's on. Thank you, Rosa. You're welcome. So ready? Let's start. I'm on a volcano. Please, Madison, hurry. I'm coming. Don't worry, I'm holding. It's okay, it's not gonna burn you. Yes, it is. It's so dangerous. Don't worry, I got you. Don't worry. It's gonna burn me. Don't worry, you're fine. You're gonna be so fine. No, I'm not. You just. Oh no, I'm breaking the oven. Okay. Huh? Please, the volcano, it's gonna get me. Okay, how much time do we have before it explodes? We have 45 minutes before it explodes. Why are we even calling a volcano anyway? I don't know. Science experiment, I guess. So our science teacher wants us to get burned? No, she just wants us to see where all the magma and everything was like at the top. So come on. No, I'm scared. Don't be scared. It's gonna explode. It's not gonna explode. Come on. Don't worry, I got you. I got you. No. I got you. It's okay. I got you. It's okay. You're fine. You're absolutely fine, okay? You're fine. Don't worry, I got you. Got you. Are you sure? Yes, I do. Don't worry, I got you. No, wait. I don't. Okay, maybe I don't got you. I'm gonna get burned by the lava. You're not. I got you. As long as I know you're not gonna get burned by no lava, you're gonna be fine. Everything's gonna be fine. You're gonna be fine. I'm gonna be fine. We're all gonna be fine. And everything will be fine. No, it won't. I'm gonna get burned by lava. No, that. Oh, yeah, sure you're not. I'm trying. And I'm still trying to save you from the volcano. Come on. Singing is not gonna help. It's gonna make it worse. Nothing's gonna make nothing worse except for if I drop you, which is not gonna happen. Oh yeah, it's gonna happen. Whoa. Oh, hold on. No. Ah! Both of our little pinkies are just holding on. Just both of our little pinkies. Just both of our pinkies. Don't worry, I got you. I moved. Oh, don't move anymore. I'm trying. Oh, gosh. Honey! What in the world? What? What is going on? Honey, what happened? And why is the oven on? And why are you on the top of the fridge? Oh, the microwave. Here. Oh my gosh, is your hand stuck? It might be. Oh my gosh. What in the world is happening to you guys? Okay, guys, never do anything like that ever again. Don't climb on literally anything. Oh gosh. What in the world, dude? What in the world gave you guys to do this idea to climb on the fridge? We were just pretending that it was a volcano. Okay, well, it is not a volcano. You need to go back to bed, but just period, it is not a volcano. And you're not allowed to be climbing from anything just like that. Gosh. What even gave you this idea to do this? I don't know, just thought it was fun. Okay, well, don't say that ever again.